So this is a project created on Snap Berkeley. It is a Hangman project. So basically what I did was I kind of made a Hangman game. So as you can see, your host. And the question is how many letters should be in the word. So let's just put in 8. So now it'll prompt you to guess any letter. So what you want to do is you want to try to guess the correct letter. And if it doesn't, then it'll say it's incorrect. And you will get one of the body parts. Now, just to speed this up. Yeah, I never do well on these. But as you can tell, now I got a correct letter. So it fills in the corresponding slot. If I keep going, keeps working, yeah, there you go. Getting somewhere, but as you can see there, incorrect. And again, I'm incorrect. So I got Hangman, and it gives us the final word.